How to hide Wi-Fi status in very status bar on your Android phone. If any day you would like to just hide your very Wi-Fi icon on your status bar on your Android phone but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to let the settings on your mobile device. You can tap on the settings there. And then you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After that, you have to search the option of the notifications on your very mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search notifications there. You have to wait for a while until it shows notifications, and then you have to tap on the option of the notifications. After you tap on the option of the notifications, then you have to see whether that notification option is there. And you can also go to the option of the notification and the taskbar. And after you see the notification and the taskbar there, you have to go to the option of the notification and taskbar. Now you can go back, and again you have to just scroll down. After you scroll down, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the general management, and in the general management as well, you have to see all of the steps out there. Once again, you have to go back and then go to the option of the advanced feature. After you tap on the option of the advanced feature as well, you have to enable all of the methods as well shown in the very screen. Now again, you have to see all of those, and you have to go to the option of the notification status bar and tap on that. Now after you tap on this, now you have to go to the option of the advanced settings. After you tap on the option of the advanced settings, you can see an interface like this. Now what you have to do is you have to just enable app icon badges, and also you can also unenable it. This way, again, you have to go to the option of show notifications icons, and this way you have to just make it all, and this way your problem is solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our